Okay. Using GeoGebra with math, you can use it to solve equations, graph functions, create constructions, analyze data, or perform 3D math. You have the option of using the graphing calculator, GeoGebra Geometry, GeoGebra 3D Graphing Calculator, GeoGebra Classic. You can also download it into your phone or your tablet or your computer, or use the web-based. There's also resources for teachers and students. We're going to go to GeoGebra Classic to start off with. When you open up GeoGebra Classic, it's going to open up the keyboard for you. You can use it as a graphing calculator and create equations. However, today we're going to look at creating some shapes. So if you click on regular polygon, it says select 2 points and enter the number of vertices. So I can take 2 points, and I'm going to say that I want to have 6 vertices, which would be creating a hexagon. Okay. If you click again, it's going to still think that you're creating another polygon, so I'm going to hit cancel and go back and delete those 2 points. If I go over to my mouse, I can then move this polygon. So if I want to have it centered, I can move it so that it's centered. I can also tell it that I want to do a couple different things with this. I can say that I want to reflect about a line. It tells you select the object to reflect and then the line of reflection. So here's my object, and I want to reflect it over this line. Create a line first. So I have my object. I'm going to reflect it over this line, and it will create 2 of them. This is great to be integrated into the classroom because it gives students a technology-based way to explore different geometric concepts. Especially with transformations, students may have a hard time grasping the concept, and allowing them to move and integrate the transformations on here is a great way to help students visualize it. It's very easy to set up. Students can just start graphing. If it's something that you want them to save, they can go here, they can open a new file, save it, export it as an image, they can share the link, they can download it, or they can preview it. Overall, it's a great tool.